Hey girl, so here is my laptop bag. It's not horrible. I just want to make it cute, have some aesthetic. And here's my cute little laptop. So, my mood for this is lavender, white. Of course, you see the crochet granny squares, but this is for all my knit queens here. So, let's knit this up. Okay, girl. So as you will see, it's mostly knitting and purling in the pattern, but as you see, I'm counting my stitches because it's time to yarn over. That's exactly what I did. YO means just bring that yarn over and let's slip one stitch off and then a second stitch, and we have to knit it. So this is where you see SSK, slip, slip, knit. And you'll see now I have 2 stitches on my needle. I'm going to bring my yarn around and over just like I'm knitting. This is SSK. That yarn has to make it all the way around. This is a slip, slip, knit. And in this pattern, of course, we have this beautiful lacy heart repeat. We have to make little holes in our knitting. And one way that we do this is slip, slip knitting. Now I'll just keep knitting as normal because I just want to make the first hole. That will be the bottom of that heart. And so that again was a yarn over and a slip, slip knit. Okay, girl. So another thing that you will see on this pattern is knit to TOG together. This to me is easier than slip slip knit, but you let me know. I put my needle into 2 stitches and knit like normal. It's just that easy, girl. I'll do it again. Put my needle into 2 stitches and knit like normal. Between slip slip knit and knit 2 together, that's the hardest thing that you do in this pattern. Everything else is knitting, purling. You have to follow the directions because, girl, I will tell you, it took me a few times to really follow directions and follow the pattern because I kept losing my place. But once you get into the groove of things, it's really just that easy, and you can knock these squares out in a matter of 25, 30 minutes, and you're good to go. After you finished knitting your bag, girl, you are almost there. Sewing sometimes can be the hardest part. It took me a couple of hours to sew, so you know, girl, it takes a little bit. But once you do that, you'll be able to sew this up and you can alternate colors. You can keep the colors the same. I really like this style of making bags and totes because it's totally customizable, totally up to you. Thank you so much again for watching, for knitting with me. Let me know below if you followed the pattern and if you made your own laptop bag. I plan on adding some things to this bag like a zipper and a strap. So I'll see you in the next video.